WAKi Multifunctional HEPA Power Air Purifier, a newly innovated air purification equipment that enhancing indoor air quality. It comes with high sensitivity air quality sensor to keep the consistency of air purifying, providing the best quality air always. WAKi Multifunctional HEPA Power Air Purifier can purify polluted air in an applicable area up to 54 square meters. Therefore, it helps to reduce air pollution in room and provide healthy environment to you all the time. It has the PM 2.5 data indicator screen for indoor air quality. What is PM 2.5? PM 2.5 refers to dangerous particles of pollutants that are less than 2.5 microns in diameter. That is about 30 times smaller than human hair, which is invisible to the naked eye. WAKi Multifunctional HEPA Power Air Purifier cleans fine particulate in the air up to 488 cubic meters per hour. Red light means the air quality is poor and might be harmful to human body. When the color turns green, it means the air quality is good. Eliminate harmful gases in air up to 90 cubic meters per hour. Keeps you away from harmful substances. Generates 10 million high-concentration anions in every cubic meter to capture the harmful substances with its special ability. Killing bacteria and eliminates musty odors effectively with UV sterilizing light to protect you and your family. Newly improved evaporative humidifying function. WAKi Multifunctional HEPA Power Air Purifier, equipped with the superb air purifying technology to ensure the quality and healthier air. For you and the whole family.
Because WAKi not a promise but sure.